Hello everyone, in this video I tell you how to make light effect in Canva. Adjusted size. Change its color into black. Decrease its transparency. Go to the apps and search type craft. Change its color into white. Duplicate it. Paste it there. Download it by check transparent background block. Remove the previous text. Place the downloaded transparent text there. Flip it vertically. Decrease its strength. Download it again. Place it again. Upload the downloaded image. Select this image as a top layer. Also this as bottom. Now see how beautiful this design looks.